The Michelin CrossClimate 2 has been the gold standard in all-season three-peak mountain snowflake category, while the newly launched Dunlop All Season 2 aims to challenge its reign. Can Dunlop dethrone the king, or will Michelin continue to dominate? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, performance metrics are shown as percentages, with the Michelin CrossClimate 2 set at 100%, based on the 2024 Auto-Build all-season tire tests. In wet braking, CrossClimate 2 stops 0.9 meters shorter, giving it a 2% advantage. However, in wet handling, the Dunlop All Season 2 is 0.5 km per hour faster, showing a 1% improvement in lateral grip. In straight aquaplaning, Michelin clears water at a 1.5 km per hour higher slipping speed, meaning a 2% better in hydroplaning resistance. On snow, Michelin stops 0.5 meters shorter in braking, giving it a 2% edge. It also pulls 88 Newton more traction force, translating it to a 3% stronger grip on acceleration. In snow handling, Michelin holds a 2.6 km per hour lead, making it a 5% faster through corners. Dunlop fights back in durability. It outlasts Michelin by 4,730 km, an 8% improvement in mileage. However, Michelin wears 6 grams less rubber, meaning 1% lower abrasion rates. In dry, Michelin dominates dry braking, stopping 3.7 meters shorter, a 9% safety advantage. It also carries 0.6 km more speed in dry handling, giving it a slightly 1% better cornering grip. The CrossClimate 2 runs 0.6 dB quieter, offering 1% better noise suppression for a more comfortable ride. While in rolling resistance, Michelin is 0.2 coefficient lower, meaning a 4% efficient boost, potentially improving fuel economy. The Dunlop All Season 2 is 26% more affordable than the Michelin CrossClimate 2 in the 225/50/17 size, offering a cost-effective alternate for budget-conscious buyers. In summary, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 excels in safety, snow grip, aquaplaning resistance, and fuel efficiency. On the other hand, the Dunlop All Season 2 offers better mileage, wet handling, and a much lower price.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.